Clinton, and welcome to the Only Profits channel. And this recording should be fairly short because I just want to show you guys myself leaving the market with profits. And boom, there we go. I just left the market with close to $1,800. And this video is going to be showing you guys two lessons, guys. The first thing is, when you understand and you know exactly where the market is going, you don't have to fear the unknown. You can literally play around with the market and leave with profits. And the second lesson is understanding how not to be stressed while trading, because when you understand how the market works, you don't have to be stressed, because you're most definitely looking at the market from a superior level of understanding. And going through my account history, you guys will understand that I don't take a lot of trades, but I make a lot of money. And when you understand how the market works, you're not only going to be making profits, you'll be making profits consistently over a long period of time. And if you want to buy my course, you can send me a message. And like I said, I don't take a lot of trades, but I make a lot of money. And on Wednesday, I think Wednesday or Tuesday, I really can't remember, but I showed you guys myself leaving the market with over $40,000 on my bigger account. And myself and my students left the market with close to 200 pips on both trades, the euro dollar and the dollar CAD. And both trades had somewhere around 5 to 6 pips stop loss. And that goes to show you that when you understand the forces that control the Forex market, you have nothing to fear. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my FX book. And sitting right in front of you right now is the account I took from $700 this week to over $4,000. There we go. And as you can see, in the course of 3 weeks, I took a $500 account to close to $7,000, and I have made $7,000 worth of withdrawals in 3 weeks from a $500 account. So if you want to buy the course or have access to my signals, the link to the website will be in the description. And if you're busy with work, or just out there trying to make the world a better place, you can simply copy my trades and leave the market with profits with me and my students. And the mindset that I always try to make my students have is that, first of all, this is a $1 trillion market. I mean, there's literally trillions of dollars in circulation every day. And what I want my students to understand is that with persistence and a burning desire to become the best versions of themselves as far as trading goes, at one point in their trading careers, they can make millions of dollars trading the Forex market. Because like I said, this is a $1 trillion market, and you guys know that. And I literally made over $10,000 from a $500 account in 3 weeks. So this is possible. And as far as trading the Forex market goes, the only limitation you have is the amount of knowledge you have access to. So if you want to buy the course, the link to the website will be in the description. And this is not a game of mediocrity. If you're average and you're an average trader, you're definitely going to fall off. So you don't only need to make yourself a better trader, you need to work on your mindset and try to become a person of value. So it's over 5 minutes already. I just wanted to make the video a very short video showing you guys myself leaving the market with profits and showing you guys the consistency I've been able to achieve during the Forex market. And go ahead and like, share, and subscribe so you can get to see more videos like this. Signing out from Miami, and hey guys, have a nice one.